Saving a document and understanding file formats. File formats are specific types of computer code that you use to save an image for various types of output or use with other applications. PSD stands for Photoshop Documents and is the basic format for saving a Photoshop file. All other Adobe programs can open and/or place a file saved as a PSD. This is a list of common file formats you can use with Photoshop. File formats, extensions, and their use. Bitmap, or .bmp, are bitmap images popular with Windows operating systems. CompuServe GIF, or .gif, are web graphics. Photoshop EPS, or .eps, are Photoshop graphics with live type or shape layers. Photoshop PSD, .psd, basic format for all Photoshop documents. JPEG, .jpg, or .jpeg, web graphics, or images to be emailed. PICT, .pct, or .pict, are graphics to use in presentation programs such as PowerPoint. PNG, .png, are high-quality web graphics. TIFF, .tif, or .tiff, are graphics to be used for print in page layout programs like InDesign. In the real world, working with file formats is seldom challenging. You'll save the vast majority of your files as basic PSD documents, and if you're saving a file at work or for a client, usually you'll be told which format to choose. The key to choosing a file format is understanding what the file will be used for. For web graphics, you'll usually choose JPEG. For PowerPoint graphics, you'll usually choose PICT. With a little bit of experience, you will soon be comfortable knowing which file format to choose for a given output or to interface with another software package. With your PS-A1 file open, we want to click on File on the menu bar and then click Save As or press Command-Shift-S. And then navigate to where you're going to store your files. I am going to keep mine in my Unit A folder where I have everything else, and we will type birdie-ps, remember no spaces, -a, -1, -first name, -last name. Keep in mind that because we are on Macs, we will not see the file extension or suffix in the file format name right here. So this is our file format, and we will not see the extension here. If you need to, go ahead and click Photoshop and then click Save. The file name in the document changes, in the document tab changes to birdie-ps-a-1 -first name -last name. If the Photoshop file format option dialog box opens, click OK to close it. This dialog box is for maximizing the compatibility of the file with other programs. To prevent the dialog box from opening each time you save a document, click the Do Not Show Again checkbox in the dialog box before clicking OK. Now we want to click File on the menu bar or Command-Shift-S to save as, and this time from the Format List arrow we're going to select TIFF and then compare your box to mine. Click Save and you'll get an options dialog box for the TIFF. Go ahead and accept all of the defaults and click OK. TIFF is an acronym for Tagged Image File Format. TIFF is a standard file format for placing digital images for print in page layout programs. Click File on the menu bar and click Save As or press Command-Shift-S. and this time click the format list arrow and select JPEG. Again, keep in mind that the Mac does not show your extensions, but you should see it change up here in the Save As file name. Go ahead and click Save, and the JPEG options dialog box opens as shown here. The JPEG file format is a lossy compression format often used for images on the web and for images that will be emailed. Because it compresses a file by removing data, the JPEG format always reduces an image's file size. Drag the quality slider or type in 6. The file size is reduced to approximately 176 kilobytes. Go ahead and click OK, and then you can close this file, Command W, and you will turn in 3 files to me: your PSD file, your TIFF file, and your JPEG file.